If we take all those trends that I talked about, I think that they create one picture. And that picture is what I call proximity. What proximity says is that the production and provision of value is going to move closer and closer to the point of demand in time. So we're going to produce and deliver closer to when, and space, closer to where demand sits. So on the delivery of value, we have sustainability, supply chain disruption, geopolitical uncertainty, regulatory complexity, forcing us to think about not making things far away and shipping them distances, but producing them closer to where they're needed. We have robotics, digitization of value, AI, which allows us to deliver value more quickly, digitally. You know, your Tesla car, for example, a big part of what you buy, the stack of value they pay for, is digitally delivered, and they can customize that and update that. If they have to do a recall, they can do it overnight. They can do it quicker, and they can do it in your garage, right? And then we have spatial computing or the metaverse, which allows us to create experiences immediately where and when, and 3D printing allows us to produce parts and physical things closer to where and when, right? And then we have distributed energy and blockchain, which allows us for distributed payments, which allows us now to build these things closer to where and when. So we can say all of this is about being able to deliver value closer to where and when. And then sensing demand. Our customers are becoming digital customers. When you go into a Barnes & Noble, they get one piece of information from you. You bought a book, and how much you spent on it. You go to Amazon and you spend an hour there, even if you don't buy anything, they've got tons of information on you. So they're better to understand what you want and also when and where you're going to want it. We're capturing that data through IoT and smart devices, through implantables, through wearables, from things that are tracking your face. So we're getting more information. That data is being democratized. It's easier to share it, in part because APIs are more advanced and allow us to translate data sets between data sets. And we can store it closer to where it's needed through blockchain. AI allows us to make greater sense of it and predict where you're going to want something. I don't have edge computing on here, but edge computing allows us to do that calculation closer to where it is needed. And people are expecting this. Next generation wants customized, personalized experiences, and they want work that also feels that way. So what we're talking about, we want to kind of, our snowmobile, I'm proposing, might be for you proximity. So we'll do a little exercise at the moment to have you think about what proximity might do for your industry.